Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. My daughter turns 16 this summer, and along with a few of her friends, she'd been hoping to attend a music festival here in the UK to celebrate the fact that they'd finally got their GCSE exams out of the way. However, she went online on Monday morning. The tickets went on sale at 9 o'clock, at which point she was at school. So when they had the first break, her and her friends rushed off to the toilets, turned their phones on, and tried to get online and buy tickets, only to find they'd all been snapped up already. If you snap something up, you basically get it or you buy it very, very quickly. Maybe because it's particularly cheap, it's exactly what you wanted to buy, and maybe because you fear it won't be around forever, that if you don't snap it up now, it'll be gone. So it's often something we use when talking about tickets. Tickets for big football matches or concerts or whatever are usually all snapped up within minutes of going on sale. When there are big sales in department stores, shoppers flock to the stores to try and snap up any bargains that they might be able to find. Sometimes in London, particularly in the centre of London, I see these queues around the block of young kids trying to get into a shop to buy trainers or whatever it is they're looking for, because they've heard online that maybe the shop has new stock of some particularly desirable goods arriving that day. And so they queue in order to be able to snap up whatever it is they're looking for. And sometimes in financial or business news, you hear about big firms snapping up little companies in order to expand their range of businesses or to expand their networks. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use snap up